Hi guys, today let's discuss the LeetCode question 55 jump game. If you see this question, it has lot many likes compared to the dislikes, which means that this is the most liked question as well. Let's go to the question. You are given an integer array nums. You are initially positioned at the array's first index and each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. Return true if you can reach the last index or false otherwise. So which means that initially we are positioned at the first index and from there we have to reach the last index. If we are able to reach the last index from the first index, then we have to return true or false otherwise if we are not able to reach the last index from that 0th index. Okay, so let's go to the example 1. So in this example 1 we are given this nums array. So the array is 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. So from this explanation, it is saying us to jump one step from index 0 to 1. So we are taking one jump from 0 to first index, and from this first index we can take 3 jumps. So with 3 jumps we are able to reach the last position. So this is one of the possibility, but there can be other solutions as well. Like if you take 2 steps from this 0th index, we will be reaching the index position 2. From here we will take 1 step, and from that third index we can stay one more step and we can reach the last index. There can be multiple ways in which we can reach the last index, but we should only return true if we are able to reach the last index. Let's go to the example 2. In the example 2 we are given a nums array like 3, 2, 1, 0, 4. So the output is false. Let's see why it is false. We are initially positioned at index position 0. From here we are taking 3 jumps, so we are able to reach till this position, till that index position 3. Let's go to that index position 1 and see. We are able to take 2 jumps from this index position 1. So we will again reach this index position 3, and from index position 2 also we reach till index position 3. So if we see, from all these 0, 1, 2 index positions, we are only able to reach till index position 3. And the index position 3 we can only take a 0 jump, which means that we cannot move on to the next index. So that is the reason we are not able to reach the last index through any of these jumps. So that is the reason we are returning false. Okay, let's go to the constraint section. So in the constraint section, the first one is nums.length is ranging from 1 to 10 to the power of 4, and nums of I is ranging from 0 to 10 to the power of 5. I hope it is very clear from this question description. Let's go into the explanation part of it. Let's start the explanation by considering this example 1, and I am creating a variable called max reach. So this indicates the maximum index position that can be reached till now. Initially we are positioned at index 0. With this index 0 we can take 2 jumps, so we can actually reach till the index position 2 by taking the max jump, that is 2. So the max reach in this case will be the current index position plus the max jump that can be taken. So it is going to be max reach is equal to current index position plus the nums of I. So that is going to be 2. So this max reach we have to store the maximum value of index that can be reached by taking any of the jumps prior to that index or from the current index. So the max jump that can be taken. So this max reach is 2. So which means that we can reach the index position 1. So let's go to the index position 1. So from this index position 1, we can take a max jump of 3. So we can take a jump from 1 to 4. So our max reach becomes 4. Since this max reach is equal to 4, that is the last index that has to be reached. So in this case we are able to achieve that. So we are returning true in this case. So let's go to the example 2. So in the example 2, again we are considering the same max reach is equal to 0, and initially we are positioned at index position 0. From this index position 0, we are taking a max jump of 3. So we can jump from 0 index to index position 3. So our max reach also becomes 3. Because the current index is 0 and the max jump is 3, so max reach becomes 3. Since the max reach is 3, we can comfortably reach the index position 1. So let's go to the index position 1. With this index position 1, we can take a max jump of 2. So the jump is from 1 to 3, and our max reach will still remain 3 because it is current index plus 2 and max reach is also 3. So it is max of 3 comma 3, that is still going to be max reach is still remains at 3. Now since the max reach is 3, we can comfortably go to the index position 2. From this index position 2, we can take a max jump of 1. So the max reach is going to be 3. Since the max reach is 3, we can comfortably go to the index position 3. So from 3, we are going to take only, the max jump is only going to be 0 since nums of 3 is 0. So we are not going to jump anywhere from that location. So that is the reason we are marking it with a dot. Max reach is still going to be 3. Now let's go to the index position 4. If we are going to this index position 4, we should compare this with this max reach. So in this case, in our case, the max reach is only 3, which means that it clearly indicates we cannot reach the index position 4 by taking any of the jumps prior to this index. So that is the reason we are returning false in this case. So the output is going to be false. I hope it is very clear from this explanation. So let's quickly code this up. Let's start by creating a max reach variable and initializing it with 0. Max reach equals 0. Loop for the entire nums array for I in range of length of nums. Then if I is greater than max reach, so which means that this index position cannot be reached even by taking any of the jumps. So in that case, we will be returning false. So this is my failure case. Then we are going to update our max reach. So my max reach is going to be max of max reach comma I plus nums of I. For the current index plus the max jump that can be taken from this index position will become my max reach. And if we are able to reach the last index position of through this max reach, then that is like we will return true because we are able to reach the last index by taking the current jump. So if max reach is greater than or equal to length of nums minus 1, then we will be returning true. So yeah, in either case we will be before this loop gets completed, we will either reach this condition or we will reach this condition. So yeah, it looks like we are done. Let's quickly run the code. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's quickly submit it as well. Yeah, it is submitted. Yeah, hope you liked the explanation. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.